Okay, great. Good morning, everyone. I have not washed my face or anything, but I did brush my teeth because I wasn't gonna talk to y'all with no funky breath. But happy Sunday. Today's gonna be a great day. It's raining outside. All the snow is gone, which is great. Love that for us. So today I'm gonna do a Sunday reset video. Now I'm not really gonna clean during this video because obviously like my last vlog was about cleaning during the snow day, so this is right after the snow day. So my house is pretty much clean. All my laundry's done, so I really don't have like anything like that to do, but I do need to go grocery shopping kind of. I did get some stuff before the snow came because I knew I'd be snowed in, but I want to make sure that I have everything I need. So I'm gonna do that and meal prep for the week because weigh-in is on Monday. So we're gonna see how that goes. So we're gonna go grocery shopping. I want to get out in the rain so that some of the the salt and the snow falls off of my car. So we're gonna go to Aldi. We may go to Sam's. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off by just making my morning smoothie, and I really like it when it rains just as much as I love it when it snows because like I get so much done. It's just something about like when it rains that I just don't have like FOMO for anything else. Like, okay, like you're at brunch with the rain and I don't want to go outside, and I can just really be so productive. So I'm gonna have a great day today. It's gonna be a good Sunday video, or at least I hope so. So, okay, see y'all in a moment. I may even just return it. It's so gross. I've only had 2 scoops of it, and I can't seem to not make it chalky. I've had the same brand before, and the brand is not like that to me. I'm gonna finish this because I made it. And I'm gonna finish the other one because I already made it. But I'm definitely gonna get something else. Okay, so I just cleaned out my refrigerator, which means all of my old food I had to throw out because I can't eat that anymore. So I'm just gonna like see what I need, and I usually just write down a list. By write down a list, I just use the homegirl device. That's what I call her, so she don't start talking to me. I have to order cane sugar. I ordered my cane sugar off of Amazon for my coffee, my iced coffee. So that's in my cart waiting for me to purchase. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that is done. I got cat food yesterday. I don't need my vitamins. I got plenty of light bulbs. I think I need to change this one out here, but I have plenty. I bought paper towels yesterday. Add lemons to our list. Sometimes I tell her, but if it's like right here on the suggested, then I don't, because I do buy the same items over and over again. We're also going to, Alexa, add avocados to our shopping list.
I added avocados to your shopping list.
She don't have to be that loud. Okay, we're gonna cook some zucchini spaghetti to be healthy. Alexa, add sweet potatoes to our shopping list.
Sweet potatoes added to your shopping list.
Okay, so I'm here at Aldi. And I have my trusted Aldi quarter. And I have my bag. This is not my trusted Aldi bag, but I think when I got into my car accident in August, I feel like I left that bag in that car, which is very devastating. So I don't know if I'm gonna get a cart today because I feel like I don't have enough items to get a cart. So I may just take the bag. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna try to just make it a quick in and out. Good morning, it's Kasey, and I'm Malibu. Okay, y'all, I'm taking a little break. I'm halfway through my movie, but I am like working on my schedule for the next like 3 months, really, because I have events literally every weekend. So I am writing this down so I don't like overextend myself. And at least it gives me like a lot of content for y'all to like come along with me. So now that I've like written down or put all of my main events into the calendar, now I'm gonna go back and work on this week and everything I need to do this. So, and then we're still gonna meal prep a little bit later. It's only 1:15, so and I'm really not hungry right now to start cooking anything, but my chicken is thawing, so hopefully by the time I'm like ready to cook that, then I'll bring you guys back at that time. So literally I have my chicken here for my dinner, and I have my scale. Hold on. Okay, it's coming on. And I know that 4 ounces is 1 serving. So I'm gonna put my bowl here, and then it says, I don't know if you guys can see this. but it says 0.9, 0.8 ounces. So I'm gonna zero that out. And then I'm gonna grab my tongs here. And then I want to get to 4 ounces. So I'm gonna put as much chicken as 4 ounces. So really, actually, like a lot of chicken if you look at the grand scheme of things. Okay, so that's right at 4 ounces or just a little bit under. Let's see. Okay. I don't think that there's one piece. Okay, one more piece. I know, I'm like anal about it. Okay, so right at 4 ounces. And then I like to use this Sweet Baby Ray's sauce for my plain chicken. So I'm going to use, it says 2 tablespoons. Okay, so one of the serving size here is 3/4 cups or 85 grams. Okay, so what I can do instead of doing all this, I can switch this over in the back right here from ounces to grams, and then we can zero the grams out, and then we can start 36 grams. Okay, so I just did 20 grams, and that's honestly gonna be enough. So, okay, so 85 grams of our green beans. Okay, we're at 0, and we're gonna go to 80 something. 85 grams. We're at 35. I probably will just go to 40. And honestly, when I go to make these, since this is gonna be my dinner meal, I will probably pop my potatoes back in with, in the air fryer. Here is 1 full meal of chicken, green beans, and potatoes. So, I will savor that for later. Rice bowl that we're gonna make, and we have our bowl here, and then on the measurements we have 0, but we're going to do 45 grams of rice. Oh man, that's already 45 grams. That's it. Then we have our black beans. This one is 130 grams. More than likely I won't do 130 grams because it's gonna be so many beans. And we're at 0. And we have our leftover taco meat here. And so we're just going to do 4. Hopefully it's all of this. And we're gonna go in with our Colby Jack cheese. And we are literally gonna do 28 grams. Uh-oh. Darn it. I messed up, I didn't switch it back over. Okay, so I just finished meal prepping, and I opened a window because I hate like the smell of food like lingering in my like house. So I just opened up 2 windows. Cat really likes it, so it is what it is. So that's that, and I'm gonna just continue to watch movies, edit video, and just send some emails to prep for next week. And that's really it for my Sunday reset, because we already did the clean on Thursday during our snow day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give this video a great like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks.